Dear students, welcome to the chapter of Nervous System of Man, in which we will study about neuron and nerves. Before we start this chapter, kindly like, share and subscribe for next videos. Nervous system is basically of two types: CNS or central nervous system and PNS peripheral nervous system. The central nervous system includes brain and spinal cord. Peripheral nervous system has two parts: somatic nervous system, which includes two types of nerves, namely cranial nerves and spinal nerves, whereas other part of peripheral nervous system is autonomic nervous system, which includes sympathetic nervous system and parasympathetic nervous system. Neuron, it is the basic unit of nervous system. It has main three parts. First is cyton or cell body having nucleus and giving out branches called dendrons, which further branch out to form dendrites. Second is axon, which is an extended dendrite. Axon has two coverings, inner is called myelin and outer is called neurilemma. Myelin sheath forms Schwann cells and node of Ranvier. Third part is axon terminals, which pass nerve impulse to next neuron. On the basis of number of axons, neurons are of three types. Unipolar neuron have one axon coming out of cell body. Bipolar neuron has two axons coming out of cell body, and multipolar neuron has more than two axons coming out of cell body. On the basis of function, neurons are of three types. Sensory neuron carry nerve impulse from sense organs or receptors to spinal cord or CNS. Motor neuron carries nerve impulse from spinal cord or CNS to muscles or effectors. Whereas association neuron or interneuron connects sensory and motor neuron inside spinal cord. On the basis of presence or absence of myelin sheath, nerves are of two types. Myelinated nerve fiber has myelin sheath, which divides axon into Schwann cells by node of Ranvier. Whereas, non-myelinated nerve fiber does not have Schwann cell or node of Ranvier. Myelin sheath, which is surrounded by neurilemma, increases speed of nerve impulse and does not allow impulse of different nerves to mix. On the basis of function, nerves are of three types. Sensory nerve carries impulse from receptor to CNS. Motor neuron carries nerve impulse from CNS to muscles or effector organ, whereas mixed nerve contains both sensory and motor nerve fibers. On the basis of origin, nerves are of two types. Cranial nerves arise from brain and are 12 pairs in number. They are sensory, motor, mixed in function. Spinal nerves arise from spinal cord and are 31 pairs in number. They are all mixed nerves in function. A synapse is a point of contact between terminal branches of one neuron with dendrites of the next neuron. It contains a neurotransmitter called acetylcholine, which helps in transmission of nerve impulse. Nerve impulse travels from dendrites to axon terminals in a neuron in the form of electrical charge. Thanks for watching this video. Kindly like, share, subscribe my channel for next videos.